आपका बच्चा स्विच की तरह नहीं है कि अगर हमने ऑन किया तो अब इमीडिएटली एक्शन करेगा और ऑफ कर दिया तो मेरा बच्चा अब रेस्ट करेगा या फ्री प्ले करेगा, जो भी करेगा। बच्चे जनरली इफ दे आर इन देयर रेस्ट मोड, या तो वो रिलैक्स कर रहे हैं या वो अपने लाउंज कर रहे हैं या ऐसे ही बैठे हुए हैं उल्टा सोफे पर, या अपने हिसाब से प्ले कर रहे हैं, फ्री प्ले कर रहे हैं, कॉन्स्टेंट फुटबॉल वॉल की तरफ मारे जा रहे हैं, वो उनका रेस्ट मोड ही होता है जिसको हम बच्चे को कहते हैं। नाउ फ्रॉम दैट हम सडनली चाहते हैं कि अब मेरा बच्चा पढ़ाई करने के लिए बैठ जाए, बहुत टाइम से खेल रहा है, बहुत टाइम से रेस्ट कर रहा है, या फ्रॉम देयर एक्टिव प्ले स्टेट नाउ आई वांट माय चाइल्ड टू स्लीप। नाउ like I said, children are not like buttons. Most of the time what happens is that if you will ask your child कि चलो अब खेल छोड़ो, या come on, you've been resting for a while, now come let's study together, you will be met with resistance. I'm sure this happens to you a lot of times कि आपके बच्चे आपको कहेंगे कि नहीं मुझे अभी नहीं पढ़ना, नहीं मेरे को अभी नहीं करना, आप मेरी लाइफ रुइन कर रहे हो, आप बार बार मुझे पढ़ने के लिए बोलते रहते हो, आप मेरे को हमेशा जब फ्री देखते हो तो मुझे बोलते पढ़ने के लिए। So what we want to do is, what we want to have in the middle is a transition mode. Your relationship with your child will get much better if you have something in the middle that is called a transition mode, where you prepare your child to go into action mode. So from rest state to go into action state, and that you don't trigger fight, flight or freeze in your child. From the rest stage, if you will tell your child कि अब यहाँ से निकल के ये चीजें करिए, immediately बच्चे की एंजाइटी बढ़ जाती है और उनका फाइट फ्लाइट फ्रीज मोड एक्टिवेट हो जाता है। उसको काम डाउन करने के लिए कि हम उस मोड में नहीं जाएं, we build up 3 very helpful things I'm going to tell you today for helping them to come to study, helping them to come to play, or helping them to now start to transition into sleep. So now our first step for all of this, from your rest mode to move to transition mode, is to help give them a timer. We need to give them a physical movement that from this stage, so if they're playing football, you tell them right now that okay, it's time to study what chapter. So you have to be very specific that what you are expecting from them. So you tell them that this is what you're going to be doing, and then we will give them a timer. Yes, which could mean you will put a timer either on your phone, or the best thing to do is get a physical timer where the child can see कि 5 minutes है तो वो धीरे धीरे clock will move. You show it to them and then gradually the timer moves up. Mostly your child may still resist after that, but they will be better at it. They will not completely go there. And because if this is something new that you're implementing and you're starting, it will take a little time, but it will get there. So let's start with that. So your first thing that you're going to do is give them a timer, and it is a backward timer. So 5 minutes to 0 minutes. You will tell them that you have 5 minutes and we are going to start studying your EVS chapter 3, which will have plants or leaves or whatever is the chapter. Name that to them कि आज हम ये पढ़ने वाले हैं. That's your one. This is getting a little too long, but I want to explain this properly. So wait for part 2, and point 2 and 3 I will explain to you in part 2.